out to all you guys, and you know who you are, that for all the stupid, dumbass shit you've done, somehow you managed to land a woman that's always got your back. And though she may not have totally changed your life for the better, somehow she keeps protecting you from yourself. Treat this woman like the queen that she is. 'Cause after all, she's the brains of the operation. 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 Well, I don't know how I did it, 'cause I'm really not that bright. But I found me a girl who loves me. Well, I ain't that much to look at. In fact, I'm really quite a friar. But I found me a girl who loves me. Well, she tells me what I need to do and what I need to know and what I need to pick up when I'm at the grocery store. She tells me where I put my keys and where I left my shoes. And if I have lost her, well, I've done just what I do. She's the brains of the operation. 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 Well, I can't believe that she's my lady. I can't believe she took a life with me. Well, I can't believe that she's my lady. And I love her, treat her like a queen. 'Cause she's the brains of the operation. 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 'Cause she's the brains of the operation.
Should have listened to the brains.